Welcome back to another vlog. It's Tuesday. I'm on my way to the mall right now because I have an appointment to get my ears pierced. I'm getting my 4th hole. I'm so excited. I'm giving Farmer John vibes today with these overalls, but I'm trying to make it work. This is my first time wearing these sunglasses. They're just so tiny. Like, they're not really practical, right? I mean, they look cute when they're like this, but then I'm like not using them to shield my eyes from the sun. Like, this is not cute, is it? They're just so tiny. They're just like kind of in the way. They're like reading glasses. I mean, they're stylish, but I don't know. Not super practical. I love a big frame just to cover my whole face. But I'm trying to go for the Hailey Bieber vibe. This is just like not really doing anything for me though. The sun is still in my eyes.
Alright, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it.
Yay!
Perfect. I just thought about it as cartilage, so it's gonna be a little longer.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Stunning. Love it.
My ears are on fire right now, but I love how it looks. My mom has piercings all up her ears, so I kind of want to do that too. I'm supposed to clean these like 3 times a day, so I need to get back into that. That's a lot, but I can do it. I took really good care of my 3rd piercing. They're all healed up, and I plan on doing the same thing for these because I don't want them to get infected or to close up, because that was $80. Happy Wednesday. I am en route to Sprouts. It's about a 20-minute drive from where I live, and I am going to get Hailey Bieber's new strawberry glazed ice cream that she just came out with. I believe the brand is called Cosmic Bliss. I've never had any of their ice cream before, but apparently it's vegan, which is perfect because, you know, your girl is lactose intolerant. I can eat ice cream, it just breaks me out, and you already know the deal. If you're lactose, you know the struggle. So I'm really excited to try it. I had a hard time sleeping last night because my ears were hurting. I forgot the first couple of nights are like the worst. I typically like to try and sleep on my back, but I wanted to roll over on my side last night and I just couldn't do that. Like, my earring kept getting like caught in my pillow and it was just hurting. So hopefully tonight's better. My Skims order came in the mail. I'm super happy. I want to do like a little unboxing, maybe like a TikTok trend with it. I'm so excited to try this ice cream. It looks like it's gonna be so good. It's like coconut, strawberry. I love coconuts. I saw a price tag on someone's video yesterday and it looked like it's going for $10, which is crazy for a little tub, but I'm still gonna get it. Just got here. I got it! So they didn't have any in the freezer, so I asked an employee and she said she just put a ton out. So she went in the back and brought me one. I was afraid they were gonna be sold out, and the next nearest Sprouts is like 45 minutes away from me, so I'm so glad they had more in the back. She said they had like a whole case in the back, so if you go to Sprouts and you're looking for this and they don't have any, just ask an employee because they should have a lot. I'm about to film a TikTok video with my first impressions. I brought a spoon with me. I am so excited to try this. Oh, bitch. The coconut and the strawberry go so well together, and it's dairy free. This is like my new favorite ice cream. I've been using this Rare Beauty blush in the shade Cheer every single day. It's so pretty. It's like not too pink. It's like a coral pink. My favorite part of doing my makeup though are my lips. Just brings everything together. I feel like I look dead before I have my lips done. So I have this Tower 28. I think this is the shade Pistachio. Yes, I love this. I love the formula. It feels really nice on the lips, but I just got this new shade in XOXO. Are these the same? I think they're different formulas. Or no, they're the same. This one's just a lot more pigmented. The Pistachio is, yeah, super pigmented. This one's more sheer. I wore it for the first time yesterday. And I paired it with like a brown lip liner, but I'm wearing like a dark mauve one right now. So let's see if it looks good with this lip liner because it could be too dark, but yeah, yesterday's lip liner was not giving. This just looks better. I need to add my freckles and then my setting spray and then I'm done. This is my Skims order. It came in this huge box. I'm just waiting for the sun to come out so I can film a video. It's finally starting to peek through the clouds. And I haven't filmed a video with my Lululemon crossbody yet. And then I have this bathing suit that I bought. It's a one piece. It's so cute and flattering. I got it from the brand Black Bow. I found them on Instagram. They have the cutest girly bikinis with a bunch of floral prints and ruffles. It was hard just to get one, but I snatched one up during their 30% off sale. This bikini was like $80, but it's so cute. I'm gonna open it and I'll show you in a second. I just finished taking some product shots. This is everything I got. I can't wait to try everything on. This is gonna be so flattering. I'm a little self-conscious of my belly area, so it's perfect for me. I love the cuts on this side. It's gonna make my waist look more snatched, and the bottom's not too cheeky, surprisingly. I mean, for me, it's surprising because I typically opt for like a thong bottom, but this one's still not like granny-ish, but it's still sexy, you know? So it's not showing too much and it's not showing too little. It's like in the middle. I still would have gotten it if it was a little bit cheekier, TBH. I wish there was like a little ruche or something in the back here. That would have made it look extra cute, but I think it's gonna look super cute on, and I can't wait. I'm not gonna try it on now. I'm gonna do it tomorrow because I think the sun's about to disappear. Happy Friday. I just got done getting ready because I'm about to go meet my bestie for some coffee. I haven't seen her since March, so it's been about 3 months, which is way too long. I miss her. We have so much to catch up on. This is my OOTD. I'm wearing my pink chucks. I haven't worn this dress since last year. I love it so much. I got it from Altered State, and then I'm wearing my new pink fanny from Lululemon. I gave myself a little curl here. I need to wash my hair, so I just put it in a slick bun. I added some falsies on my outer corners. I want to start doing this more often because this creator named Delaney, I love her so much. She has the viral messy bun, but I love the way she does her makeup, and she always wears a half lash. So I've been wanting to try this for the longest time, and I finally remembered to do it today. I think I could do a little bit better of a job blending it. I had a little trouble at first because I have the lashes that are shorter on the inside and then they get gradually longer. So I cut them and then I put the ends on my outer lashes, and I was like, it just looks so harsh. But then I looked up some TikToks, and obviously when you cut the lash, you're supposed to put the inner corner of the lashes on your outer corner and it looks more blended. So that's what I did. I think it looks good. It's been ages since I've worn false lashes. I miss it so much. It just makes you look like 10 times hotter. There's my bestie. Hey, gorgeous.
Hello.
I got a vanilla iced latte, and she got something weird. What did you get?
I like wanted a shaken espresso from Starbucks, but they were like,
Oh, they don't do the brown shaken
so I was
espresso.
like, just do espresso then and vanilla and milk.
Yeah,
milk.
you should have got a latte, poor
yeah,
thing.
I forgot.
And she got
The
some
gummy's still
biscuits
there.
and jam. Looks good. We just got to TJ Maxx. We're gonna do a little retail therapy, a little window shopping. I'm gonna try not to buy anything.
Me too.
We came to Lululemon to try on some stuff for fun. This is way too tight. This is a size 4. Oh my gosh, you can see all my curves and crevices.
You can see all my fat rolls.
All your goodies. I have this shrug on and I love it. I don't have any shrugs. I want some. This is a size 10 though. This is just too big. Let me see. Are you gonna come out?
Yours is cute on you.
Thanks, girl.
I don't like mine.
It's too tight.
Mine's too tight. I don't look
Let me see.
flattering in it. No.
We got hungry and got Chipotle. It looks so good. We both got the new al pastor chicken that they're promoting on their commercials because it looks so good. I think it's like marinated in lime and pineapple juice, I think. So let's try it. We got some chips. This is a splurge. I haven't had chips in forever. I used to get them all the time. Cheers. Happy Friday. It's a whole week later. I did not vlog at all this week and I wanted to come on here and end this vlog. I just needed a little break, but I did have so much fun with Alexis and I had 2 old fashions which gave me a hangover the next day. I mean, old fashions are really strong, but every time I drink, I just remind myself why I don't drink as much as I used to anymore because my hangovers just make me want to lay in bed all day. I'm just not productive at all the next day. Right now I just got to Whole Foods because I need to make an Amazon return and I also want to try the viral brown butter cookie latte. I think that's what it's called. So I'm gonna get that while I'm here. My birthday is on Tuesday next week, so don't worry, I'm gonna vlog all week next week. Oh, update on the Skims order. So I was super excited and happy about it, but I ended up returning the whole thing because I spent like $450. Everything in that order was from their cotton line and the cotton material is just not soft at all. The only pieces that I have from them are from their soft lounge collection and those are so soft. They're like buttery soft. So if you've never ordered anything from Skims before, I recommend only getting their soft lounge because the cotton just wasn't it. It was like rough. I ordered a medium and everything and even the mediums felt a little tight, like almost like a small. So if you've never made an order from Skims before and you're thinking about it, get something from their soft lounge line. That's my personal favorite. Like I said, it's just the softest. The cotton is just not it. I mainly ordered the cotton for like the pink floral prints that they had. Even those were just overpriced. Anyways, I want them to come out with some cute floral prints for their soft lounge line. Ooh, I will snatch those up so quick. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry it was a little bit all over the place. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.